Hi, welcome back to the show. Today I'm going to be making Italian soda, but first I want to give a shout out and say thank you to my first donation. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to get a syrup. This is one of my favorite syrups because I like this because it doesn't have like the red dyes in it. It's natural, and you're also going to need some sparkling soda water. And this is what it is right here. You can check it on the description area. So the very first thing you do is I'm going to get 2 cubes of ice first. And this is about an 8-ounce serving. 2 ice cubes. We're going to get 2 strawberries. I cut up some strawberries here. The perfect amount is going to be 1 tablespoon of syrup. Let me see if I can get that in there. And I am going to actually do 2 because we tried it earlier, just right under 2. And then we are going to put the sparkling water. Look how pretty that looks. Kids, can't wait to get one, right? It looks so pretty. And we are going to go ahead and stir it up. And this is raspberry. I'm going to go ahead and hand it to, let's see, Daniel. Go ahead and try that. Go ahead and take a sip. Tell me what you think. Okay. How is it?
Tastes good.
Tastes good? Okay.
Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome.
It tastes delicious and I love it, Grandma.
Oh, you're welcome, Daniel. Okay, I'm going to continue making the rest of the drinks. I've already got the ice and I've got the strawberries in there. We're putting right under 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to go ahead, put the sparkling. Oh, it looks so pretty and refreshing. They're so good. And then you go ahead and just stir it up like this. And it is done. I'm going to keep going, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to make an Italian cream soda. Okay, the last one I'm going to make is mine. This is going to be an Italian cream soda. So we've got the ice in there, we've got the strawberries, and I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 tablespoons of the syrup, raspberry syrup, and then I'm going to go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of the cream. And then we're going to go ahead and put the water in. Ooh, look at that. It looks so pink and pretty. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and stir that up just really quick. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Now I also made some whipped cream. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this bag with the whipped cream. You could do this, so this will be so fun for the kids. Oop, I'm making a little mess. Let me see. Sorry. Okay, I'm putting this in a pastry bag, and look how pretty this is going to look. We are going to get each one. I'm going to hand Daniel his. Ooh, and we're going to put your straw in. Look how beautiful that is.
Mine already has.
And then we've got this one. Ooh, pretty. Hold that. And then we've got one for my other granddaughter. We got to get your straw in there. Pretty. Go ahead and sip it. And then we've got this one. Ooh, pretty. And here you go. Go ahead and push your straw down and you can sip that. And then I'm going to top mine off with the rest of it. I have just enough. And I'm going to get my straw and let's all sip this. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. We've got the scripture of the day, and these grandkids are having fun. They're eating pizza now, and they're having drinks. The scripture is Psalms 127:3. Children are a blessing, and they are a gift from the Lord. And I just want to thank you for spending time with us, and everyone say bye.
Bye.